Signal detection in pharmacovigilance usually focuses on one adverse event term at a time. However, this method fails to account for the complete set of symptoms experienced by the patient, thereby sometimes grouping the wrong patients together. Alice should be grouped together with Bob, because the reported symptoms are clinically coherent with migraine. But how do we connect Alice's and Bob's cases when the reports don't contain the same adverse event term? UMC has developed the vigiGroup clustering method to identify groups of reports with similar adverse events. Since we don't know what the clusters will look like or which adverse event terms the patients in each cluster will have, reports are randomly grouped together to start with. They are then repeatedly reassigned until they form clusters with related adverse event terms. However, running the same algorithm multiple times will produce slightly different results, affecting how often the terms appear in each cluster. To solve this problem, vigGroup combines the clusterings created during repeated runs of the algorithm into one consensus clustering. This better captures the clinical patterns which were repeatedly identified in the initial cluster analysis runs. But how do we know if our method is resulting in clinically coherent clusters? An intruding term is added to the most common adverse event terms in a cluster. If a clinical expert can spot the term, it's a sign that the cluster is clinically coherent. vigGroup gives us new ways of assessing data on suspected side effects, advancing the science of pharmacovigilance.